Before you even think about painting a bathtub, you need to know what's inside that tub paint. It might seriously shock you. We're deep into a bathroom renovation, and when it came to the bathtub, I was ready to paint it. Until I found out that painting your bathtub might be one of the worst reno choices you can make. My partner and I are planning on having a little one soon, which has put me into a full dad research mode for everything. And what I found out about tub paint, it seriously freaked me out. Most tub paints are loaded with VOCs, that's volatile organic compounds, a fancy way of saying really nasty chemicals that smell bad and aren't great for your lungs. But here is where it gets really wild. Even once the paint dries, the danger isn't over. The moment that surface gets scratched, and trust me, it will, just read the reviews, hot water can reactivate those chemicals, turning your bath into a steamy chemical soup. This is our comically small half bath. Oddly expensive for what it is and hard to find, but perfect for a baby. Fingers crossed soon. After failing to replace it and learning about tub paint, I had to find another way to make it match the new bathroom. Now that the doom and gloom is over, let's get this tub looking brand new again. Our first step is to strip back the grime and everything else. We're starting with a deep clean, using a combo of baking soda, white vinegar, and some dishwashing detergent. Try to say that 3 times fast. You probably already have all 3 sitting under your sink, which makes this both budget friendly and chemically light. Give it a good stir, it will start to foam up, and suddenly, you're not renovating, you're doing science. Now, I might be 36, but I have the knees of someone at least double that age. So knee pads for me are non-negotiable. This is a plastic grout tool. I just found it laying around in the shed. I'll be using the top edge to scrape off anything that doesn't come off with the scrubbing. I'm starting with hot water and our cleaning combo. Just spread it over everything and let it soak in before we start scrubbing. I'm not just dealing with years of built up dirt and grime from everyday use, there's also concrete, tile adhesive, waterproof membrane, and paint. Basically everything from the renovation so far, so this was a bit of a mission. So I'm even getting off the colour that the house was painted before this renovation. This room used to be yellow. After giving the bath a good thorough scrub, it's time to rinse off the solution. Just warm water and a microfiber cloth is needed for this. This bit isn't glamorous, it's just hard, messy work. But with our solution we made and some elbow grease, you'll have that bath looking all but brand new again in no time. The next step is where we get that showroom shine. Now it's time for step 2. Let's bring this bath back to life. I'm using a combo of acrylic polish and automotive polish. Yup, car polish. Using both acrylic and automotive polish might seem like overkill, but it's actually a clever combo. Acrylic polish works hard to restore the surface, it fills in tiny scratches and gives your tub a layer of protection against water damage and grime buildup. But to really bring back that showroom shine and make the surface feel silky and smooth, automotive polish is your best friend. It enhances gloss, removes even more subtle imperfections, and helps prevent dirt and water from sticking around. So by combining the two, you get a tub that looks fresh, feels smooth, and stays cleaner for longer. When picking what automotive polish you want to use, only use a non-abrasive liquid polish. Do not use a cutting compound, it will be too abrasive and it will burn through the protective layer of your bath. Just quick, if you like learning from real tested DIY methods that put health and budget first, leave a like or consider subscribing. I'm a new channel and your support helps me to bring out more honest, research-driven content like this. I had to make another 2 batches of the polish mixture to finish the whole bath. You are polishing the bath the same way as you would a car. Add a small amount of polish to a microfiber cloth, applied to the bath using small circular or back and forth motions with light to medium pressure. Work in small areas until the polish starts to go clear or hazy. Let it sit briefly before buffing it off with a clean microfiber cloth until the surface shines. And there isn't much more to it than that. The best part, it's ready to use right now. No curing, no fumes, no worrying about scratching it the second you step in. Just a little bit of elbow grease, some inexpensive cleaning items, and this old bath's ready to stick around for the next chapter of our lives. Next up is grout and then silicone. Click here to watch me go from a silicone amateur to a silicone pro in minutes.